The Ossiomo Industrial Park is a game changer in the energy and power sector. Located on the banks of the Ossiomo River in Ologbo Community, Ipobaka local government area of Edo State, the industrial park houses the Ossiomo Independent Power Plant, which uses the power of water to generate electricity.
Essentially, the beginning, this is from here, the gas goes into the power plants.
Managing Director and CEO of the Industrial Park, Owa, says the Ossiomo River, after which the power plant is named, is the major energy source for its power generation.
And frankly, this is one of the main features of this site, because really for large industrial parks you must have marine access in and out, and so this infrastructure is a major piece of infrastructure for us. It has already served us, and as we move into the next stage of development of the industrial park with the very large projects, petrochemicals, steel projects and all of that, this is going to really serve us.
The press crew is taking on a guided tour of the industrial park, which houses a technology center for training of young engineers, a natural gas and petrochemical station where it utilizes associated gas that would have been flared to generate power for a larger spectrum of consumers.
When we reconnected Ologbo Community December 2023 after all those issues, the demand, the peak load was 0.5 megawatts. By December 2024, they exceeded 1.7, 3 times. So there is no debate about it. The load is there, and we fully expected that, and we every day, later today, tomorrow, we have customers, prospective customers coming to see us on a daily basis. But the point is that we have to make sure that we generate and distribute the power and get paid. That's the tricky part of it.
The Ossiomo Power Plant is fully licensed as a power generation, transmission and distribution station. The plant operators have implemented cutting-edge technology to monitor and control the transmission and distribution process. Of particular note is the fact that majority of the operators and engineers working at the power station are locals rather than foreigners. Igeon speaks on the functionality of the power station.
And on your way here, you would have seen our 33 kV line. Okay, that 33 kV line, we designed it in London, and it was manufactured in China, and the civil, mechanical, electrical installation was done all by Nigerian engineers, okay, under my supervision. And then, so you will see the nature, because today power is very topical. And the long and short of it is that people tell me that we have shown the way to address the power issue in Nigeria.
The Ossiomo Power Plant boasts of standard and sophisticated technology and equipment to carry out transmission and distribution of power to every consumer.
As they say, the taste of the pudding is in the eating. We started the development of this project in 2013, with our application for our licenses. And since 2013, that's 12 years, we have been developing and started construction in 2018, started operations 2020, continuously for 4 years. So I think that, it's pretty clear that, the engineers that we have, who are predominantly Nigerians, have done well. Not only that, you saw our IPP1. IPP1 started operations November 2020. And today you saw our IPP2, which is wholly developed, designed, engineered, and constructed by Nigerians. We're bringing in more and more equipment every day. And economic, there is a social, there's every reason to encourage the Nigerian engineers. And particularly, that can make or break a company in the Nigerian context. Because what you are paying 10 Nigerian engineers is what you are paying one expatriate. It cannot work. So therefore, we must invest our time, energy, and resources to make the Nigerian engineers succeed.
The Ossiomo Industrial Park, an independent power plant, is a shining example of innovation and sustainability. As the energy landscape continues to evolve, the plant serves as a model for future developments and projects. Nosare Me Uso, AIT News, Ologbo.